2.1 Try again. 2.1 Try again. Warming up chit chat. Question number 1. What do you like, poem or stories? Answer: poems. Question number 2. What kind of poem do you enjoy the most? Answer: inspirational and narrative. Question number 3. Do you think poem can inspire us? Answer: yes, certainly. Question number 4. Do you remember any such inspiring poem? Answer: yes, I do. Question number 5. When did you learn or listen to it? Answer: in primary classes. Question number 6. What message do you get from it? Answer: one day you will be victorious. Question number 1A. Form group of 6 each. Everyone from the group should share an experience or a situation where at first he/she experienced failure but after continuous effort achieved success. B. Decide which experience shared in the group is the remarkable. Fill the flow chart with the step taken for success. Took exercise daily. Practice batting. Started running practice. Gave all round performance. Got selected in the team. Question number 2. See the images, rearrange and write the proper line number for each from these given below. 4. A spider began to climb a wall. 3. It slipped and fell down. 1. The spider climbed again a little higher. 6. It fell down again the second time. 2. Yet it did not give up and climbed higher and higher. 5. Finally, it reached the top. English workshop. 1. The following anagram contain word phrases from the poem. Guess and write what they are. Number 1. Granny tag. Try again. Number 2. Our cage. Courage. Number 3. Wet sir. Strive. Number 4. Red raw. Reward. Number 5. Tap knees. Patience. Number 6. Serve peer. Persevere. Question number 2. Pick out lines that convey the following from the poem. A. If you keep trying, without a doubt, you shall win. Answer. If you will persevere, you will conquer, never fear. B. It is not shameful to struggle hard. Answer. If we strive is no disgrace. C. When other can do the work, so can you, if you keep trying patiently. Answer. All that other folk can do, why with patience may not you? D. When you fail in your first attempt, make another one. Answer. If at first you don't succeed, try again. Question number 3. Find from the poem the antonyms, opposite words for the following. Number 1. Succeed. Fail. Number 2. Punishment. Reward. Number 3. Courage. Fear. Number 4. Stop. Quit. Persevere. Number 5. Loss. Conquer. Question number 4. Answer in your own word. A. What lesson should be kept always in mind? Answer. One lesson kept in mind is to try again if you don't succeed in the first attempt. B. What should someone who loses a race do? Answer. Anyone who loses a race should strive hard to win it. C. What quality is important when you are struggling for success? Answer. Perseverance or patience is important when you are struggling for success. D. When can success have a greater value? When you get it easily or with difficulty. Answer. The success has greater value when you get it with difficulty. Question number 5. Read the poem and fill in the web choosing points from it. What leads to success? Trying again, patience, perseverance, struggle, courage. Question number 6. Most lines from the poem can serve as a truth or a proverb. Pick out 3 or 4 such lines. 1. If you find task is hard, try again. 2. Time will bring you your reward. 3. If you will persevere, you will conquer. 4. If it strive, it's no disgrace.